Hi everyone and welcome to this course on React.js. In this course, we'll talk about React.js and we'll explore all of its functionalities, how it works, what is it used for, and basically we'll see everything about React.js. So what is React.js? React is basically a JavaScript library, but some people consider it as a framework of JavaScript, because React.js is comparable to AngularJS. But in reality, React.js is a library that was developed by Facebook. So it is maintained by Meta, formerly Facebook, and a community of individual developers and companies. Additionally, React is called as a single-page application. So as an example, we have this website in front of us. So we have this website that you can clearly see in front of you. So it's Node.js, which is not built on React. Now, if you wanna transition from one page to the other, you can do this by clicking on the page you're looking to go to. So when you click on it, the page will reload again and again. So in this case, we are on the home page and we're moving to the about page. And as you can see, the page is reloading and then displaying the about page. Now, we are moving to the next one. We download the page, so it will reload it, and then it displays the download page to us. Okay, so now let's talk about websites that are created with the help of React.js. So when making a transition to the different pages, only special components are being refreshed and displayed. For example, here, if we click on entertainment, you can see that only its component is being rendered and not the whole page. The same goes for the technology component. It's doing the same thing. So basically, this is the advantage of React.js. It only refreshes the component and not the whole page. Alright, so in React.js we use components, and using components gives us the advantage of reusability. So in React, a reusable component is a piece of user interface that can be used in various parts of an application to build more than one user interface instance. Meaning that you can use the reusable component here and there on different parts of the website. Alright, so basically this is the idea behind React.js. Now let's properly begin this journey, but first we have to download some plugins. So I know that you're doing development. In this course, you're learning about development, so you must have the best IDE to be able to do so, where you write your code. In addition to your IDE, you have to download this software here. You have to go through this website, Node.js. You have to download and install this in your system as well. Okay, so after clicking on this, it will be downloaded into your system. It's a simple process, basically. Alright, so after the download is done, you have to go to the command prompt, make sure that this plugin is being installed in your system. Okay, so to do that, you write this command, node -- version. If you can see the version, it means that Node.js has been installed in your system. Now, depending on what time you're watching this, you might have a different version, but you get the idea. Okay, so after Node, you have to check the npm version. So just to make sure that it's being installed or not. Alright, so both versions have been installed in my system. npm stands for Node Packing Manager. So why do we use npm? I'll explain it to you using a simple example. And the example is the following. So if we talk about Amazon warehouses, for example, they have lots of products available in there. Now, if someone wants to sell their products there, they reach out to Amazon and can sell it through them. So if a consumer wants to buy a product, they will only need they will only need to go to Amazon.com. They will need to visit Amazon.com and buy it from there. And Amazon will ship it to them. Like Amazon will ship the product to them. Now, when it comes to coding, if we try to look for similarities with this example, of course this example has nothing to do with coding, but we're trying to find some similarities, some patterns. So, if we try to look for similarities, it will be in the following manner. So we have foreign developers who come and compile their code. Then they need to place it somewhere. So they come and place it on the NPM website. And if any consumer or customer wants to use it, so if they want to use it, then they will need to, let's say, have a contract with the NPM website, and then they can install the package in their system. So that's basically how it works. It's in the same way that, it's exactly the same way how a marketplace functions. Like, it connects the providers to the people who are interested, the buyers and the sellers. And that's basically how it works. So we connect the developers who can like store their code in this, on this website, on the NPM website. We connect them with the users of those codes. Alright, so like if you want to install the Bootstrap as well in our project, we can do it by using the npm.bootstrap and it will be installed. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this lecture, and now on to the next one.